Good morning, everyone. We're at River Rock Casino. We're gonna play Wolf Run Gold. Wolf Run Gold. We have $125 in free play in the machine. Just make sure we got it all. Crank up the volume here. There we go. And it's a 1-cent denomination. So we're gonna use progressive betting today. $60, $120, $180, $3. Okay. So let's start off and see how we do. 60, 120, 180, $3. Okay, back to 60. I've not featured this game on the channel before, but I have played it. I like it. Thought I'd share it with you. There we go, a little bit of money on that 60-cent bet. What we want are 3 of these bonus symbols, 1, 2, 3. There are some random features on this game, so hopefully we'll get those so we can share that with you. $3. Oh, something's happening. We're on the $1.80 bet, and here's one of those special features I was mentioning. Oh yeah, come on, get that second line. Oh no. If we get one more gold one for here, we'll get another spin. So we're looking for anything gold. Yes, there we go. Oh, it's a good one, it looks like. Come on, we need one gold, at least one gold. One gold. Oh no, but it's a nice win. Oh wow. Wow, $53.40. I love that little special feature. And that was on our $1.80 bet using our progressive betting. And our little wolf up here is just making some noise for us. All right, let's continue on with our $3 bet. Oh boy. Oops, we did back to 60 cents. $180. So we're using that free play today. We started off with $125 in free play. One more bonus, one more. Oh, almost.
Ready. John, your table is ready.
Oh wow, oh wow. That's on our 60 cents bet. Hey, we'll take it. $9.20. As you may have noticed, those wolves that we see are wild. These guys right here. Maybe we'll get lucky and get that random bonus feature again. I'd like to see 3 of these though. It's a fun bonus. It's like a locking wilds bonus. $6 bet. We're now upping our bet, going all the way across here, playing 60 cents to $6. And here's the big $6 bet. No, nothing. There we go. That's on our $1.80 bet. $18.30. Nice. $3.50. All right, that does it. So we had $125 in free play on this Wolf Run Gold, and we ended up with $90.55. So, hey, not bad for 6 minutes of hanging out at the casino. $90, and we're going to take that home. So everyone have a great day. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, letting us know that we're doing something right on the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.